Yes. See definition of power of a point. Power of a point. For this, let us take a sphere s equal to 0. I am denoting sphere with s equal to 0 and take a point P which is outside the sphere or exterior point of the sphere. Let P is an exterior point of the sphere. Now let us draw a secant line to the sphere which meets the sphere at 2 points. This point, meeting point I am taking as A and second meeting point take as B. Then distance from P to A into distance from P to B. Distance from P to A into distance from P to B is called as power of this point P with respect to this sphere. Once again I am repeating it now. Let P is an exterior point of the sphere. Through point P, draw a secant line to the sphere which meets the sphere at A and B. Then PA into PB, that means distance from P to A into distance from P to B is called as power of point P. This is the basic definition of power of point P. But here we proceed power of point P in terms of secant line. But the same definition we can proceed in terms of tangent line also. That means, suppose this is your sphere S equal to 0. This is point P which is exterior to the sphere. Through point P, draw a tangent line to the sphere which meets the sphere at the point some T. This point is I am taking as T. Through point P, draw a tangent line to the sphere which meets the sphere at T. Then PT into PT means distance from P to T into distance from P to T is called as power of point P. Under problematic part, this second definition is comfortable for you. Reason is, by using this definition, I am going to define one new condition, that is the formula in the problematic part. I want to take this P point is x1, y1, z1 and our sphere is S equal to 0. If we can go to this PT, distance from PT is nothing but what? Length of this tangent line or not? You know length of tangent line. Length of tangent line PT is what? Root S11 or not? We proceed one theorem. Length of tangent line from this point to this sphere is what? Root S11. Now take PT into PT is what? Power of point P. Now PT means what? Root S11 into again PT is what? Root S11, which gives what? S11. That is power of point P. In the problematic part, they will give a point and sphere. They want power of that point with respect to that sphere. Simply find what? S11. S11 calculate change, that is enough for you. But here concentrate these two things. These two are same. Reason is, under secant line we got two different intersecting points. That's why we are calculating distance from P to A into distance from P to B. But here only one common point is there. That's why we must go for what? P to A, P to T into again P to T. Same like this. P to A into P to B we proceed. Here P to T into again P to T. But PT means what? Length of tangent line, which is root S11. Now root S11 into root S11 is what? S11. In the problematic part, this formula you have to use. Power of point P with respect to the sphere S equal to 0 means what? S11, right? Now let us see problem here. Find power of a point. Find power of a point. Find power of a point 1, minus 1, 2 with respect to the sphere. With respect to the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y plus 6z minus 5 equal to 0. Find power of the point 1, minus 1, 2 with respect to the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y plus 6z minus 5 equal to 0. Yes, you must use the formula ma. Root S11 ma. S11 ma. Before that, take your given sphere ma. What is your given sphere? Given sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y plus 6z minus 5 equal to 0. Compare this one with your regular sphere ma. I mean, which is in the form of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, where u is what here ma? 1, because 2ux, u is 1, v is what ma? Minus 2, w is what ma? 3, and d is minus 5 ma. Right? You can now take given point ma. Given point is, we are denoting with p ma, which is x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to minus 1, z1 equal to 2. You can now let us find power of this point ma. Power of the point P with respect to above sphere is S11. This implies, or which is equal to, S11 means what ma? x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square plus 2ux1 plus 2vy1 plus 2wz1 plus d. x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square plus 2ux1 plus 2vy1 plus 2wz1 plus d ma. Yes, substitute above results here. 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 minus 2 plus x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square plus 2ux, 2 into u is what here ma? 1 into x1 is 1 plus 2 into v is what ma? Minus 2 into y1 is minus 1 plus 2 into w is what ma? 3 into z1 is 2 minus 5 ma. Yes, simplify this result ma. 1 6 plus 2 minus into minus becomes plus ma, plus 4, 2 3 is the 6 plus 12 minus 5. Just find it. 10, this is 10 ma, 10, 12, 24, 24 minus 5 ma. Yes, 24 minus 5 is how much ma? Is it 19 or not? This is power of your point P ma, right? Like this, you must calculate power of a point ma. This is about your power of the point concept ma. This is about your power of the point concept. Next important concept ma, angle of intersection of the spheres. Angle of intersection of the spheres. Angle of intersection of the spheres. Yes, let us see definition ma. Geometrical I will show here. Let us take two intersecting spheres ma. One is, I am taking sphere S equal to 0 with center some C1, right? And take other sphere ma, which is S dash equal to 0 with center some C2 ma. Let us take two intersecting spheres ma. One is S equal to 0 and other one is S dash equal to 0. One sphere center, first sphere center is C1 and second sphere center is C2 ma, right? Now let us draw a tangent line to this second sphere which is passing through point C1 like this ma. Let us plot a tangent line to second sphere which passes through center of the first sphere ma. Next, let us proceed. Let us draw a tangent plane ma, not tangent line. Let us plot a, this is looks like tangent a line ma, but it is plane basically. Let us plot a tangent line, draw a tangent plane to this second sphere which can passes through center of the first sphere. Similarly, let us proceed or plot a tangent plane to first sphere which passes through center of the second sphere. Both tangent planes are meeting at point P. This intersecting point we are taking as P. Now let us find angle between those two tangent planes at point P. Let us find angle between those two tangent planes at P. That angle is called as angle of intersection of the spheres. Once again I am repeating. Let us take two intersecting spheres. One is s equal to 0 with center C1 and other one is what? S dash equal to 0 with center C2. In the next step, let us draw a tangent plane to the second sphere which can passes through center of the first sphere, and then draw a tangent plane to first sphere which can passes through center of the second sphere. Both tangent planes are meeting at this point. That point we are taking as P. At point P, for these two tangent planes define angle. Such angle is called as angle of intersection of the spheres. That means this theta is called as what? Angle of intersection of the spheres. This is about definition of angle of intersection of spheres. You can now see theorem here, important theorem. Yes, it is theorem number 9 in our serial number. Theorem number 9, important theorem. Yes, its statement is, if theta is angle of intersection of the spheres, if theta is angle of intersection of the spheres, S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d1 equal to 0, and s dash is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u dash x plus 2v dash y plus 2w dash z plus d dash equal to 0. Then prove that cos theta equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus d square whole by 2r1 r2, where r1 and r2 are radius of the spheres, and d is the distance between centers of the spheres, and d is the distance between centers of the spheres. This is your statement, Let us see proof of this, But before going to start that proof, once see your statement. What is that statement, They given two spheres, intersecting spheres. One is s equal to 0, other one is s dash equal to 0. S equal to 0 sphere is what, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d1 equal to 0, and s dash sphere is what, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u dash x plus 2v dash y plus 2w dash z plus d dash equal to 0. They are giving theta is angle between these two spheres. Then we must show that cosine angle of theta means cos theta equal to what, r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2 r1 r2, where r1 and r2 are centers of both spheres. R1 is center of first sphere, r2 is center of R1 and R2 are radius of the spheres ma, means R1 is radius of first sphere and R2 is radius of second sphere ma, and D is what ma, distance between centers of these two spheres ma. That is your statement ma. Now let us come on to the proof ma, but before going to start the proof, let us see diagrams ma. I want to plot diagrams for both situations ma. This is our S equal to 0 with center C1 and radius R1 ma. This is our S dash equal to 0 with center C2 and radius R2. I am right, not writing now ma, radius part ma, right. Now through this C1 ma, let us plot tangent plane to second sphere ma. This is tangent plane. Through point C2 ma, let us plot tangent plane to first sphere ma, that is like this ma. Both are intersecting here, that intersecting point take as what ma, P. Now in the statement they given this is theta. Now find cos theta value ma, right. But if we can concentrate this diagram ma, is it C1 to P is radius of first sphere or not, which is R1. C to P is what ma, here to here, radius of second sphere or not ma, this is R2. In the statement they given distance between the spheres should be what ma, D. Distance between center of the sphere should be what ma, D. Yes, that is D ma. These 2 points distance is what ma, D. Okay, now let us go to the proof, but before that all these things I want to write here now. Let P is the point of contact of the tangent planes to given spheres, tangent planes to given spheres, so that C1P is radius of first sphere and C2P is radius of second sphere. This implies C1P is equal to what ma, R1 and C2P is equal to what ma, R2. That already we observed in the diagram, right. Next quantity proceed ma. Given that D is the distance between centers of the spheres, this implies C1 C2 is equal to what ma, D means distance from C1 to C2, what they given, D. These are your given results ma. You can now come back to the diagram. Once go to your diagram ma. If you can concentrate this diagram ma, this C1 C2P forms a triangle or not ma. Whenever C1 C2P forms a triangle, we can use properties of triangles ma. In intermediate level we proceed properties of triangles ma. In those properties of triangles ma, let us proceed cosine angle condition. That work I am going to do here ma. From the above diagram we can observe that triangle C1 C2P forms, from the above diagram we can observe that, simply I am writing like this ma, C1 C2P forms a triangle by properties of triangles. Yes, in your trigonometry ma, intermediate level ma, properties of triangles we proceed there. Let us proceed cosine angle condition ma. That cosine angle condition gives this ma, distance from C1 to C2 means here to here distance square is equal to here to here distance square plus here to here distance square minus 2 into here to here distance square, here to here distance square, distance into cos theta. Clearly I am writing now. C1 C2 square is equal to C1 P square plus C2 P square minus 2 C1P into C2P cos theta. This is your cosine angle condition in properties of triangles. Here to here distance square equal to here to here distance square into here to here plus here to here distance square minus 2 into this distance into this distance into cos theta, right? This is in properties of triangles in your intermediate level, you know formula. Actually it is cosine angle formula, you can call it. From this I am going to define cos theta, but before that all these notations use there, these results use there. What is C1 C2 d? So that this becomes what? Is it d square or not? This implies d square is equal to C1P is what? R1. So that here R1 square plus C2P is what? R2. It is R2 square minus 2 C1P. It is 2 into R1 into C2P R2 into cos theta. Yes, I want to take this negative term, total negative term to left side, this d square take on to other side. Then this result you can write as 2 R1 R2 cos theta is equal to R1 square plus R2 square minus d square. From this you can proceed cos theta. What is that? R1 square plus R2 square minus d square whole by 2R1 into R2. This condition we proved. That completes your total theorem. But again this is the formula. Whenever they want angle of intersection or angle between two spheres, angle of intersection or angle between two spheres one and the same, there we have to use this formula. Cos theta equal to R1 square plus R2 square minus d square whole by what? 2 into R1 R2. Now let us see next theorem, another important theorem, theorem number 10. Theorem number 10. If the spheres S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d1 equal to 0 and S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u dash x plus 2v dash y plus 2w dash z plus d2. For variety purpose we taken here d1 and d2. d2 is equal to 0 or orthogonal then prove that 2u dash plus 2v dash plus 2w dash is equal to d1 plus d2. This is your statement. Here actually in S sphere this is d, basically this is d dash, generally in the notations we can take. Here we taken d1 d2. Reason is in the middle, in the previous theorem we taken d is what? Distance between two centers of the two spheres. Internally you get the d term. Due to that cause here instead of d I taken a d1. That's why I taken here instead of d dash for my convenience d2. Here they may give any notations. Depends upon those two notations we can change here, right? But once see the statement, if these two spheres are orthogonal means what? Perpendicular. If these two spheres are orthogonal to each other, in such case 2u dash plus 2v dash plus 2w dash should equal to what? d1 plus d2. That statement you have to show, and it is one of the important formula also in the problematic part. Before that I am going to take given spheres, especially take given first sphere. Given first sphere is S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d1 equal to 0 with center. I am denoting center with C1 ma. It is what? Minus u minus v minus w, and radius r1, radius of first sphere I am denoting with r1 ma, is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. This result keep aside ma. Go to given second sphere ma. Take your given second sphere. Given second sphere is s dash is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u dash x plus 2v dash y plus 2w dash z plus d2 equal to 0 with center C2. It is minus u dash minus v dash minus w dash, and actually here it is radius. In radius this is d1 na, square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d1 ma, right? And radius I am denoting with r2 ma. What is that radius? Square root of u dash square plus v dash square plus w dash square minus d2. Square root of u dash square plus minus v dash plus v dash square plus w dash square minus d2, right? This is radius of second sphere and this is radius of first sphere, right? Okay, now let us find distance between centers of the spheres now. C1 C2 is equal to, means distance between center of the spheres now, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. x2 minus x1 means what ma? U dash minus of minus u, it is plus u. You can write as u minus u dash whole square plus, like that you can write v minus v dash whole square plus w minus w dash whole square. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Now simplify this ma. This is square root of a minus b whole square expansion to u square minus 2u u dash plus u dash square plus v square minus 2v v dash plus v dash square plus w square minus 2w w dash plus w dash square. This is your C1 C2 ma. To use previous formula ma, I want to take this C1 C2 is d, means d is the distance between centers of the spheres ma, in the previous theorem ma. To use that condition I want to take d is what ma? C1 C2. This implies, you say d is equal to what ma? Square root of, I am writing this total thing for my convenience in this order ma, u square plus v square plus w square, u square plus v square plus w square is one combination, minus 2u u dash minus 2u u dash minus 2v v dash minus 2w w dash plus u dash square plus v dash square plus w dash square. This is your d result. This is R1, because in the next stage we are going to use this, so that I won't keep in box ma, and this is R2. Okay, now let us take theta b angle between given two spheres ma. Then cos theta is equal to what ma? According to previous theorem, R1 square plus R2 square, R1 square plus R2 square minus d square by 2 R1 R2. That condition I want to use ma. For that, in the next step, let us take theta b angle between given spheres. This implies cos theta is equal to what ma? R1 square plus R2 square minus d square whole by 2 R1 into R2, right? But here in the statement what they given ma? these two spheres, given two spheres are orthogonal to each other. Orthogonal means I said perpendicular. Perpendicular means what is theta there ma? 90 degrees. Let us take theta is 90 degrees. But I am writing like this ma. Given that above spheres are orthogonal to each other, so that theta is equal to what ma? Pi by 2 or 90 degrees. Whenever theta is 90 degrees, what is cos theta ma? This implies cos theta. Cos 90 degrees is what ma? 0, right? I mean substitute here, for my convenience I am taking 1 ma. Substitute cos theta value here ma. From 1 implies we have 0 is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2 r1 into r2. r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2 r1 into r2, right? From this you can proceed. r1 square plus r2 square minus d square equal to 0. r1 square plus r2 square minus d square equal to 0 after doing cross multiplication, right? From this you can write r1 square plus r2 square is equal to d square. Now substitute here r1 value, r2 value and d value. All three box areas here you can substitute. First I am going to substitute r1 value. r1 is this, then r1 square means this root gets cancelled. It is what now? This implies u square plus v square plus w square minus d1. This is one area, plus r2 square. r2 is what ma? This r2 square means u dash square plus v dash square plus w dash square minus d2 is equal to, that is equal to what ma? D square. D is what here ma? This right here ma, is equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus 2u u dash minus 2v v dash minus 2w w dash plus u dash square plus v dash square plus w dash square. Here this u square, v square, w square you can cancel with these three quantities. This u dash square, v dash square, w dash square you can cancel with these three quantities. At last what we got ma? Minus d1 minus d2 equal to minus of this ma. Multiply throughout expression with minus 1 ma. What we get ma? d1 plus d2 is equal to 2u u dash plus 2v v dash plus 2w w dash. Otherwise in the reverse order how can you write ma? 2u u dash plus 2v v dash plus 2w w dash is equal to what ma? d1 plus d2. That is this condition ma, right? Whenever given two spheres are orthogonal to each other, whenever given two spheres are orthogonal to each other ma, in such case what we have ma? 2u u dash plus 2v v dash plus 2w w dash is equal to d1 plus d2. This one you have to remember. Simple condition. Whenever given two spheres are orthogonal to each other, 2u u dash plus 2v v dash plus 2w w dash should equal to what ma? d1 plus d2. This is about another very important theorem. Now see problem. Find the angle between spheres. Find the angle between spheres x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 2y plus 4z minus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 4z plus 2 equal to 0. Find angle between spheres x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 2y plus 4z minus 3 equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 4z plus 2 equal to 0. Here you can use theorem number 9 as formula ma. For that, first take your given two spheres ma, find their centers and radius also. I am taking first given sphere ma. Given first sphere is S is equal to, I am denoting with S for my convenience, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 2y plus 4z minus 3 equal to 0 with center C1. Yes, find center ma. 1, 1, minus 2, minus u, minus v, minus w, and radius R1 is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Minus of minus 3 is what? Plus 3. How much it is? 4, 5, 6, 9 means it is 3 or not? Root 9 value should be what? 3. This is about first sphere relation. Now take given second sphere. Given second sphere is S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 4z plus 2 equal to 0 with center. Yes, I am denoting with C2 ma. What is that? 3 minus 4 is 2 minus u dash minus v dash minus w dash, and radius R2 is equal to square root of u dash square 9 plus v dash square 16 plus w dash square 4 minus d dash 2. This is 16, 20, 29 minus 2. 29 minus 2 is what ma? 27. It is root 27. R1 value is 3 and R2 value is what ma? Root 27 ma. Next, let us find distance between these two centers ma. Here C1 C2 is equal to distance from C1 to C2 ma, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square ma. x2 minus x1 whole square 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square z2 minus z1 whole square. This is square root of 3 minus 1 2, 2 square is 4 ma. This is minus 5 whole square is what ma? 25. This is 2 plus 2 4, 4 square is what ma? 16 ma. Now 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 25, it is root 45 or not ma? Root 45, right? Now to use our formula, theorem number 9 ma, this C1 C2 we are going to take as d ma. There d be the what ma? Distance between the centers ma, right? That condition I am going to use here. Let C1 C2 is equal to d. From this d is equal to what ma? Root 45. You can now take your angle condition ma. Let us consider that theta be angle between above spheres or given spheres, any word you can use, so that cos theta is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus d square whole by 2r1 r2. Just use r1 result, r2 result and d result here. This implies cos theta is equal to r1 square. R1 square it is 9 plus R2 square 27 minus D square 45 whole by 2 into R1 3 into R2 root 27. Yes, simplify this result ma. If you can simplify it here, if you want you can cancel ma. Here simplify ma. 9 plus 27 plus 9 ma. 27 plus 9. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 minus 45. 36 minus 45 plus 36 means minus 9 whole by 2 into 3 6 ma. 6 into root 27 ma. Minus 9 by 6 into root 27 ma. Minus 9 by 6 into root 27. Still if you want you can simplify this ma. 3 is the 3 2's the ma. This is minus 3 by 2 into root 27 you can write as root 9 into root 3. 9 3 is the 27 no? Now root 9 means 1 3 na. This once gets cancelled, so that this is what ma? Minus 1 by 2 into root 3. Complete simplify result is what ma? Minus 1 by 2 into root 3. That is cos theta value. But what we need ma? Theta, which is what ma? Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 into root 3. This is your final figure ma. This is angle between your given two spheres ma. This is about your question. Yes, see next problem ma. Show that the spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus 6y plus 2z plus 8 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x plus 8y plus 4z plus 2 equal to 0 are orthogonal to each other. Are orthogonal to each other. This is your new question. Show that these two spheres are orthogonal to each other. First sphere is what ma? X square plus y square plus z square plus 6y plus 2z plus 8 equal to 0. And second sphere is what ma? X square plus y square plus z square plus 6x plus 8y plus 4z plus 2 equal to 0 ma. Right? We have to show these two spheres are orthogonal to each other. Take first sphere is s equal to 0, second sphere is s dash equal to 0. Proceed theorem number 10 as formula. What is that ma? Here it is sufficient to show that 2u dash plus 2v dash plus 2w dash equal to d1 plus d2. Just find that result. Just show that result ma. Right? For that I am taking first sphere ma. I especially given first sphere ma. Given first sphere is S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 6y plus 2z plus 8 equal to 0, which is in the form of regular form. Compare ma. S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d1 equal to 0, where what is u here ma? U is 0, there is no x coefficient ma. V is what ma? 3, w is what ma? 1 and d1 is what? 8. This keep aside ma. Now take your second given sphere ma. Given second sphere is S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x plus 8y plus 4z plus 2 equal to 0, which is in the form of S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u dash x plus 2v dash y plus 2w dash z plus d2 equal to 0, where U dash is what ma? 3. U dash is 3. V dash is what ma? 4. W dash is what? 2. And D2 value is what ma? 2. ఇక now separately find 2U dash plus 2VV dash plus 2WW dash ma. Once I want to calculate 2 into UU dash plus 2VV dash plus 2WW dash ma. 2 into what is U here ma? 0 into U dash is what ma? 3 plus 2 into V is 3 and V dash is 4 plus 2 into W is 1, W dash is what ma? 2. Yes, let us find this result ma. This is anyhow 0. 4 3 is the 12, 12 2 is the 24, 24 plus directly I am writing 2 2 is the 4, 28. Now we have first result is what ma? 2U dash plus 2VV dash plus 2WW dash equal to what ma? 28 ma. Next let us calculate D1 plus D2 ma. I mean let us calculate D1 plus D2 results ma. Let us calculate D1 plus D2 results ma. Yes, sorry ma, in this question a small correction is there. This is 20 ma, not 2. The second square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x plus 8y plus 4z plus 20 equal to 0. In our sending material also they taken 2 ma, but it should be what ma? 20. It should be 20 means this is 20 ma. Here they written wrong ma in the notes. So this is 20 ma, so that this D2 should be what ma? 20, right? Ika now let us go for your result ma. Make it correct ma. In our material also here it is 2 there ma. In my sent material just make it 20 ma. This is 20, so that here I taken 20, then D2 should be what ma? 20 ma. Next here let us find D1 plus D2 ma. D1 plus D2 is equal to 8 plus 20 is what ma? 28. Let it be, this is number 2 ma. From 1 and 2 implies 2U dash plus 2VV dash plus 2WW dash is equal to what ma? D1 plus D2. Both same na? Hence given spheres are orthogonal to each other. Given spheres are orthogonal to each other. This is about your question. Yes, see next question ma. Find equation of sphere. Find equation of the sphere with 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 and 5 0 1 are the ends of the diameter of ends of the diameter. Here only I am writing ends of the diameter, ends of the diameter. Also find angle between, also find angle between it and the sphere, angle between it and the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 10 is equal to 0. This is your question. Basically in this you have two questions available ma. First of all you have to find sphere equation where these two are what ma? Ends of the diameter of that sphere ma. Whenever these two are ends of the diameter of the sphere, first of all you have to find the equation of sphere ma. After getting that sphere ma, find angle between that getting sphere and this sphere ma, by using your angle theorem number 9 ma. Cos theta equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2r1 r2. But before that, what is our first work ma? If these are the ends of the diameter, then what is the equation of the sphere? That we have to write ma. Given that, first I am writing given result ma. Given that x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 2, z1 equal to minus 3. For my convenience, I take a notations like this, and x2 equal to 5, y2 equal to 0, z2 equal to 1 are ends of the diameter of this sphere. Ends of the diameter of this sphere. The equation of sphere is, you know the formula ma, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 equal to 0. Whenever x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 are ends of the diameter of the sphere. That formula first of all I am going to use ma. X minus 1 into x minus 5 plus y minus 2 into y minus 0 plus z plus 3 into z minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. Yes, now simplify this one. This is x square minus 5x minus x is what? Directly I am writing minus 6x plus 5. Just do this complete product, you get this one. Plus next one, y square minus 2y, directly this second term, complete product one, plus z square minus z plus 3z plus 2z minus z plus 3z plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. I am writing this in the proper form. This implies x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 2y plus 2z minus 6x minus 2y plus 2z. Next 5 minus 3 is what ma? Plus 2 is equal to 0. This is our required first question, required sphere. For my convenience I am taking number 1 ma. B equation of required sphere. Yes, let us find center here ma. Center of above sphere is, center of above sphere is, I am denoting that center with C1 ma. Yes, you can find center here ma. What is that? Minus u, 3, 1, minus 1, minus u, minus v, minus w, and its radius is what is that ma? I am denoting with R1, which is equal to square root of 9 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2. These two gets cancelled. Root 9 is what ma? 3. Keep this result aside ma. For next question part we are doing this extra work. Now let us go for given sphere ma. Take given sphere, there also find center and radius. Take center as C2 and radius as R2 ma. This given sphere I am taking ma. Given sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 10 equal to 0. Let it be number 2 for our convenience. With center C2. Yes, find center ma. 1, 2, 3 and radius R2 is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. 9 plus 1, 10 minus 10 gets cancelled. Root 4 is what now? 2. Now we got first sphere radius and second sphere. I mean this sphere radius and given sphere radius also. First sphere center, this sphere center and given sphere center you got now. In the next step, calculate distance between these two centers now. We know that C1, C2, distance between centers of the sphere should be what ma? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. 1 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, which is equal to root of, this is 4, this is 1, this is 16. I think it is root 21. But for my convenience, I want to denote this one with d ma. Generally we are denoting C1, C2, distance between the centers of the sphere should be what ma? D. Let C1, C2 equal to d. This implies what is d result ma? Root 21. Okay, now I want to take theta b angle between these two spheres ma. Let theta is angle between sphere 1 means sphere equation 1 and sphere 2 ma. Sphere equation 2. This implies also that cos theta is what ma? R1 square plus R2 square minus d square whole by 2 R1 R2. R1 square plus R2 square minus d square whole by what ma? 2 R1 R2. This implies cos theta equal to R1 square 9 plus R2 square 4 minus d square 21 whole by 2 into R1 3 into R2 2. This is 9 plus 4 13 ma. 9 plus 4 13. 13 minus 21. It may be minus 8 by 4 into 3. 4 2's the, you can cancel, minus 2 by 3 we got. I mean cos theta equal to minus 2 by 3 ma. From this we can define theta ma. It is what? Cos inverse 2 by 3. This is another quantity ma. In the question they want two areas ma. In the question they want two areas ma. We find both areas. One area is this. This is one question. Find equation of the sphere whenever these are ends of the diameter of that sphere. We got it ma. And the second one is what ma? After getting this ma, find angle between this and this sphere ma. We find that is this ma. This is minus 2 by 3. Theta equal to what ma? Cos inverse of minus 2 by 3 ma. This is about your new question ma.